Hello and welcome to OTT Monitor Minutes. This is Colin Dixon, Senior Partner with the Diffusion Group, and it is March 16th, 2012. And this week I want to talk about Cisco. Cisco announced this week that they will be acquiring NDS, a London-based company. And this is a pretty big deal, $4 billion plus $1 billion of assumed debt. So a big deal indeed. They are planning on using NDS to bolster the Videoscape IP platform for video, which is aimed at operators. So what are they getting for their $5 billion? Well, first up, they are getting a security solution that is relied upon by many operators around the world and trusted completely by content providers around the world to keep their content safe. Second thing they're getting is a systems integration team that really knows operators. They've been working with them for years and can probably help Cisco get Videoscape installed in those accounts. Third, client software for STBs. Yes, I know STBs are allegedly going away with all of these connected devices, but in a lot of operators they aren't going anywhere soon. And NDS already has a ton of client software running on those set-top boxes around the world. Now, I've seen lots of speculation in the press about what this deal is about. One wild speculation was that this was to take on Apple TV, to somehow preempt Apple TV from creating a fully integrated client by using NDS software to do just that. Somehow I don't think that's the root of why they were buying NDS at all. Another speculation was that NDS and Cisco are competitors and that Cisco was just taking out a competitor. I don't see Cisco and NDS as competitors at all. In fact, they're pretty complementary. Those three things I mentioned, client software, integration team, and security solution, really Videoscape and Cisco could do with those things in those solutions. So why did Cisco buy NDS, or why are they buying NDS? It's about one thing and one thing only. Operators need to get to IP, and Cisco wants to be the company that sells them the gear and the solution that gets them there. And NDS should be able to help Cisco integrate Videoscape into those operator systems faster than anybody. But getting to IP is absolutely critical for operators, whether they know it or not. They need to be there so that they can move at internet speed with their services. So that's my opinion on why Cisco is buying NDS. This has been Colin Dixon, and I'll see you next time.